Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the currency markets, specifically looking at the Australian dollar. If you've been tracking the Aussie, you'll know it's been under some serious pressure lately, holding on to its recent losses. So, what's the story behind this? A big part of the answer lies with its counterpart across the Pacific, the mighty US dollar. The US dollar is currently flexing its muscles, and a major reason for this is a trend we call risk aversion. Think of it like this. When investors get nervous about the global economy, they tend to pull their money out of assets they see as riskier and put it into what they consider safe havens. Right now, the US dollar is one of the world's favorite safe havens. It's like a financial storm shelter. When the forecast looks gloomy, everyone rushes in, which drives up the value of the dollar. So, why are investors feeling so cautious? There are a few key factors at play. We're seeing mixed signals from global economic data, ongoing geopolitical tensions, and uncertainty about the future moves of central banks, especially the US Federal Reserve. When the Fed signals it might keep interest rates higher for longer to combat inflation, it makes holding US dollars more attractive. Higher rates mean a better return on your money, so international capital flows into the US, boosting the dollar's value even further. Now, let's connect this back to the Australian dollar. The Aussie is often considered a risk-on currency. Its value is closely tied to global economic growth and the prices of commodities, like iron ore and coal, which Australia exports in huge quantities. When the global outlook is positive and factories are humming, demand for these commodities is high, and the Aussie dollar tends to do well. But when risk aversion kicks in, the opposite happens. Fears of a global slowdown mean less demand for commodities, which puts downward pressure on the Australian currency. In a nutshell, we're seeing a classic divergence. The US dollar is gaining ground as a safe bet in uncertain times, while the Australian dollar, being more sensitive to global economic health, is struggling to find its footing. It's a tug-of-war, where global sentiment is the rope, and right now, the US dollar team is pulling the hardest. We'll be keeping a close eye on this dynamic, especially with upcoming economic data that could shift the mood. What do you think will happen next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more market insights. See you in the next video.